It's empty. So I already did buy Ipsy unboxing this month, but to my surprise, I received this big guy in the mail as well. I'm a lucky duck this month because Ipsy sent me 2 packages, the Ipsy Extra, and then I think this is the Ipsy Ultimate. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but let's unbox it together. Okay, so let's open her up. I've never had one of these before. This is huge. The fall collection. Okay, there's like a layer of paper, so I can't really see anything, but I'll lift it for you guys so you can see first. There's a lot of stuff in here. Excited is honestly an understatement. Also, I already see something from Ilia here, and if it's the face base milk, I'm gonna scream. I'm just gonna grab it. I can't see because it's mirrored. Oh my god, I've been wanting to try this. Everyone online, this is in fact, sorry, backing it up, this is in fact the face base milk. Wait, no, it's backwards. It's the base milk. My bad, y'all. Basically, I have really dry skin. You guys know if you've been watching my videos, and I've been dying to try this. So the fact that it came in an Ipsy box, it's just fate. I actually just have to put some on my hand because I'm too excited. We'll do just like a drop. I want to know what consistency it is. Okay, so it's pretty liquidy and runny, as you can see as it goes down my hand, and it feels very lightweight, which is also good for my skin, but it does feel pretty hydrating on the skin right away. I have a feeling it's going to be so good under makeup. And as you can see, there's a lot more goodies going on in here. This one right up front, I have no idea what this is, don't recognize this brand, so I feel let's look at this next. This is the Essential Brush Set from, it's either Rel Beauty or Beauty Rel. I feel like it's Rel Beauty. I have never heard of this brush. Oh, they're gold. But they're like in this little packaging. So they seem small to me. I don't know, let's go. Okay, so this is the Everywhere. What does that mean? So this one is the Everywhere All Over Highlighting and Blush Brush. This is a very interesting shape for a blush brush, but definitely something I'll use for highlighter. I'll try it out for blush, but it doesn't have a lot of surface area and it's quite long. Oh, it feels very soft. Okay, and then this one is very much like a paw brush. I would actually normally use this for concealer, but I suspect it's not for that. This one is the Everything. So it's highlight and sculpting brush. Okay, I see that. Makes sense. I might use it for concealer, I can't lie, guys. But it looks beautiful. And then this brush is the biggest one. It's also in like a paw angled shape. I use the word paw for everything. I actually don't think that's a paw brush at all. But I'm guessing this is the Everyday Angled Blush, Bronzer, and Contour Brush. Now, I just got a blush brush from e.l.f. It's like the double-sided one. I think it's a Patrick Ta dupe, I'm not sure. But this actually looks way more high quality, of course, than e.l.f. But I have never heard of this company, and this feels like luxurious. Oh yeah, I'm gonna like these, I know it. I might not use them for what they told me to use them for, but I know I'm gonna like them. I'm intrigued by this, whatever this is in the package. This is the BeautyBio, I've never heard of this brand either. Swipe and Glow Peel Pads. This is just what I need for my face right now. I have some acne going on, but I also have just a lot of little bumps. And I have them on my forehead too. Actually, that's probably easier to see. You can see I have a cluster of just small bumps that aren't quite forming acne. And I think a gentle exfoliator will really help with that. There's still so much left. I feel like I want to go for this is maybe a body care product because it's huge. So let's see what that is. This is the Sachajuan. I don't know if I pronounced that right, so somebody tell me in the comments. Hair repair treatment. I've also never heard of this brand. However, this is 7.4 fluid ounces, and it's a hair repair treatment. Okay, intensive hair treatment for damaged and stressed hair. You can say that again. Frizz reduction. I do need that. I guess you apply it to wet hair and then comb through, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and rinse. So it's a mask that you put on in the shower. If I will be using every last drop. So let's go with whatever this black package is here. This, oh, sorry, Makeup by Mario? What is it though? It's the volumizing mascara in super black. I do like the look of the wand. It looks like it'll give me a full lash, and I do have to do a sniff test to make sure it's not gonna irritate my eyes. It has maybe a light fragrance, but it honestly smells totally fine to me. It actually smells nostalgic. Oh my God, it smells like dance competitions. Oh, it smells like some sort of makeup that you use at dance competitions. But I can't pinpoint it. Either way, super high-end product again to be getting in this box. Can you believe we're not done yet? Still 3 more products, and I desperately want to try the Patrick Ta. But let's do, ooh, Merit. This is the Shade Slick Gelée. It has an accent over the E, Gelée. I don't know. Tinted Lip Oil. I love a tint. I love an oil. Let's see what color this is though, because there's no colors on it. Oh, she's beautiful. I love how luxe the packaging looks. Okay, let me just do a little swatch on my hand so you can see. So it's pretty sheer. It has a light pink color, a glossy finish, no shimmer or anything like that. I like that it feels like an oil. Like when I spread it on my hand, it's not sticky or anything like that. I am wearing the gloss right now, but I'll just put it on top so you can feel what it's like on the lip. Oh, I love how that feels. It's very lightweight, like there's nothing on my lips. You don't feel any stickiness when I rub them together, nothing. Now, what does it smell like? This is in the shade Maraschino, if anyone wants to try it out. It smells divine. We will have to see though if it lasts long on my lips because it's so light. But I think it's really pretty too. Hard to tell because I am wearing stuff underneath, but I think the shine is really pretty. Okay, 2 things left. What is this? This is a Mother, call me Mother, Up All Night Eye Cream. It's called Motherload, which, love that. Okay, branding. And I'll just put a little on my hand so I can feel what it feels like. Oh, it's like a orangey color. It's quite thick. It's not falling anywhere on my hand. And when I rub it in, it actually looks to be maybe ever so slightly tinted because look at that glow that it's putting on my hand. Oh, wow. Okay, so a little goes a long way. And that tint kind of goes away for the most part once I rub it in, but it still is very like glowy. And the last and most certainly not least thing in this box, I know this is Patrick Ta, I know the shape, and so the fact that it came in an Ipsy box, I just feel like is wild. Smile for the camera. It's just so pretty. The packaging is just gorgeous. For y'all. Oh, no, for real. How do I open it? Oh, got it. Okay. Ready for the big reveal? Now, I think we can make it cute. People have told me to wear peach blush before. It's just a little outside my comfort zone. So I'm just gonna do a little swatch. We'll do a little... Okay, no, I actually think I can rock that. I think I can rock that. Thank goodness. I was a little concerned, guys. Oh, it's buttery. Oh my God. I'm so excited to use this. And she is the moment. Now come on now. And that was my whole Ipsy box. Which one do you guys think I should try first? I'll drop some videos as soon as you let me know. I'm really excited for the brushes. That's something that I'm really pumped to use because I don't have enough high quality brushes. Probably the most excited I was to open a product was the Base Face Milk because genuinely been wanting this for so long. But very close behind that is Patrick Ta blush because, like, again, truly been in my cart so many times. Everything else I'm very excited about, like Merit, I've heard lots about, but these other products that from brands that I don't know, I feel like I love when Ipsy sends them to me because I get to just discover brands that I've never heard of. If you're wanting to check Ipsy out, do your quiz, maybe purchase a box, you can click my link below. I do make commission when you guys purchase something, so it's one way to support my account, but no pressure at all, guys. And if you like this video, feel free to subscribe. I'll be back next month with a whole new unboxing. Bye!